How do you install a memory card into a GoPro Hero 11? Let me show you. First of all, you will need to remove the cover, like so. Then remove the battery. Then what you need to do is have your camera making sure the screen is facing you, and make sure the memory card pins are facing upwards like this. Then just simply slip it into the slot and make sure it clicks. And then after you've done that, you just take the battery and pop it back in, and then close the door. And that's how you install a memory card into a GoPro.